Alright, welcome back to Auto Rehab, working the Maserati Part 2. We got the shipment in from Northback, got the fender and the door, so we're going to be working on the door today. And on top of that, my steering rack came in. As it turns out, I was wrong. You cannot replace the inner tie rod. I'll show you all why. Alright, so here's right here, as you can see, it's compressed in. There's no way to actually remove it. Therefore, this is why they sell the whole steering rack. So, start working on this already, as you can see, and getting everything off to get the steering rack off, just to replace the inner tie rod. Maserati problems. Alright, and here is the new shipment that came in. This should be the fender and the door glass. So, about to open her up and pull out the goodies. Look at that, look how well packaged that door is. That is awesome. Already unscrewed all the bolts for the steering rack. And he's going to get this sucker pulled out.
I think we gotta go this way.
Vic, would you say your pull-out game is strong?
Hey, what's wrong?
That's why you have no kids yet?
Yeah, shocks are hard. Shocks. Well, let's see how from the bottom. No, I think you can screw this one. It'll drop down. Alright, so you have to pull it out to the passenger side.
Passenger side.
Only pull it out to the passenger side. Okay. Why are you changing it? Oh, shit, it's way different.
So the issue we're having is on the steering rack that came in, the outer tie rods were kind of messed up. So we're going to reuse our own outer tie rods. And they're different, see?
Yeah.
So we're going to reuse
like this, and the other side has way different fitting.
Yeah, so we're going to reuse our outer tie rods. Alright, so steering rack is in. Let's use our How do you feel working this one versus the lowers? I mean, compared to some steering rack, this one's not too bad, right?
No, I don't know.
I think it's like a BMW is a lot worse. Like I said, so even the Lex got less for 60. I think those are even worse.
Audi is the worst.
Audi? Did you replace yours in the A8?
No, sir. That one you have to like drop the engine and everything. Yeah, because they're like right on the firewall.
Look at this, the mad scientist has made his appearance.
Oh my goodness. Came to inspect.
We have a special guest with us, Mr. Jason, President Jason. He's back at it, making his appearance on this one. So, and then he's gonna move on over to this one. Oh, look at that! And there, right there, is Mr. Jim Blackwood and Company Detailing. They are mobile. Anyway, they come to you. His name is Jim, and he does drive a Jimmy. There was a huge dent right there. It's kind of hard to catch that on video, but it's there. Or it was there. I mean, Jason, you got most of that already?
Well, alright, I'm gonna go put my hands back together.
Well, wait a minute. I got 5 minutes.
So, yeah, well, I don't know what the hell's going on.
See it, Doc? Alright, y'all. We're taking the car to the frame. Everyone's probably like, why don't y'all do it? We ain't got time for it, man. Too many projects, and we need this thing done. So we're about to load it up onto the trailer and take it on to the frame machine at a different shop. Go. Well, no, you go back. No, you're good. Hold on. All doors. Yeah.
Take left. Left. Go left. Yeah. Stop. Go left. Go left. Yeah, that's good. Right there. Got it. Feel like a Jeep now.
We got some parts inside the bed, and all the rest of the parts are going to be inside here. Yup. Let's go. What's up, guys? As I was saying, the bumper problem came in. The car is still on frame. It hasn't even started on the guy yet. He's been really busy, but hopefully the next week or so he'll get to it. Anyways, here's the bumper. I'm ready to just check it out and see what it is for the Maserati. Alright, let's open it up. Of the car, it's here on frame. A lot of the work is already done. As y'all can see, the door and the fender is on here. Got the new door mirror. It actually opens and closes really nicely. You know, got the new regulator in the glass right here. Just give me a little bit of body work right here, where the side skirt goes onto here, and a little bit of work here done too as well to perfect it. So we'll get the door back off and take it to Chris to have the body work done. The gaps look pretty good too. This part right here, this is the fender, had a little damage here. This is from the accident, so I'll have to get that redone. Other than that, it looks pretty good. It's coming together. Shockingly, this headlight had broken tabs as well, so I had to get the tabs redone on this. So the only thing he noticed or pointed out that I need to order is I'm gonna need, we replaced the hub on here, but we need to replace the spindle too. Turns out, you can tell right here where I'm trying to put my finger, I can't put anything there because it's touching the rotor. Therefore I need to replace the spindle as well. So I'm going to go ahead and order the spindle, that way the suspension could be 100% complete, because this side is good to go. If you look over here where the rotor is and the spindle meet, there's plenty of space there. It's like, you know, you can stick something through there. Over there, nothing. Tight fit. So therefore it has to get replaced. But as y'all can see, it is coming together, and before you know it, this thing will be off the frame. Alright guys, since I bought this wonderful fiberglass bumper, and I forgot how fantastic they are, I thought that the grills were going to come with this because the ad stated that, but they did not come with this, so therefore I had to order my own. So I've got these kind right here, and with the, I guess it's got the bigger holes, it's more like a diamond shape, and then we have these smaller ones right here. You know, so I'm not sure which ones I'm going to go for. They were going to make our own custom grills in here yet, but at least I have options. And I already showed this to my body guy Chris. He said yeah, he could do it. It's not going to be an easy project, but he's worked with fiberglass before, so hopefully it turns out good. But like I said, I don't envy Chris doing this job, but I'm happy to have him on board. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.